Oh, here we go again. It's Tuesday morning. Welcome back, everyone. Going to be a busy afternoon unfolding across the valley, so let's get you caught up on what to expect today. Things are pretty quiet right now across most of our viewing area. We do have clouds, but notice there's quite a bit of clearing out to the west. I think this break in the clouds will continue working east, so we can expect a brighter sky for the mid to late morning, and that sunshine that works in will actually help to make the atmosphere more unstable this afternoon, perhaps increasing our chance for some gusty thunderstorms. The second complex of storms that rolled through the lower Ohio Valley is now rolling into the southern Appalachians this morning. Kind of a repeat, kind of deja vu for them after dealing with one of these last night as well. What we have going on this morning is low pressure up across Lake Huron in Michigan, and a cold front extending back to the west. That cold front somewhere in here. And as this comes into this unstable air mass today, yeah, showers and thunderstorms are going to get going once again. The Storm Prediction Center does have our viewing area mostly in the what we call the low risk or the marginal risk. That's this dark green area. However, technically speaking, the yellow area, the slight risk, which is a category higher, does sneak into Columbiana County. But don't focus in. Don't get caught up in the specifics of where exactly these lines are. Bottom line is, I think it's pretty much an equal chance throughout our viewing area of seeing some severe weather this afternoon. It's not a great chance. This should not be a blockbuster severe weather day, but some of these storms could be on the strong side, and we could be dealing with damaging winds and perhaps some flash flooding issues in some of the stronger storms. Overall today, the highest risk of severe weather is in this kind of darker orange from southern Ohio down through the central Appalachians into parts of the Carolinas. So let's talk about the timing of things here. Bring up our short-range model. I think most of the rest of the morning is quiet. Things may start to get active as early afternoon. So let's skip ahead to noon. The model shows one little cluster here. I'm not sure if this will be realistic or not, but it's possible that around noon we have at least a shower around. I doubt there's any severe weather at noon. But as we go forward into the afternoon, then I think you'll notice how things ramp up pretty quickly. Here's 2 p.m. with clusters of showers and storms around the region. There could be some pretty hefty rainfall rates in some of these. Here's 4 o'clock this afternoon. Let it come up. There we go. Everything's starting to shift to the south and east at this point, but still the threat is there for some heavy rains and possible gusty winds. By 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, though, I think the threat is shifting out of our area. This is going to be pretty fast. It's going to be mostly mid-afternoon, and by 5, 6 o'clock, the threat is shifted down into south central PA, into West Virginia, perhaps southeast Ohio as well. But we're pretty much, I think, by 6 o'clock, kind of in the clear here across our viewing area. So it's kind of 2 to 6 roughly, or 1 to 6, something like that. That we have to be on guard. We have to be weather aware. One thing you can definitely do is check out the WFMJ mobile app. Our videos, our forecasts are all on there. WFMJ.com/weather as well. Here's a look at the risks. I think it's a two-pronged risk today: damaging winds and flooding. We could have rainfall rates of 2 to 3 inches an hour, and that could lead to some standing water on the roads, and in the traditional low-lying flood-prone areas there could be some problems. Damaging winds, the other main threat. Now, could someone see some small hail? Yeah, but I don't think that's as big of a threat as the wind and the flooding. One thing that Facebook has done recently, which is actually kind of nice, on pages that you like my page, you can, if you want, go to the liked box here and check this see first, and that means that all of my stuff will appear at the top of your feed. Now, surely most of us have a lot of important things in our Facebook feeds that we want to see, but on weather days like this that could be pretty busy, it may not be a bad idea to check this so that you don't miss out on any posts on Facebook. They all appear at the top of your feed. So I would recommend doing that on Facebook. Just click the liked box on my page. By the way, Twitter, generally better than Facebook as far as getting weather information out, but more people are on Facebook, I understand. All right, we got you covered today. We're going to keep you up to date throughout the day. Jess is in this morning, and we may have some team coverage going on this afternoon as things ramp up for a couple of hours. So we got you covered. Stay weather aware today and have a safe Tuesday.